You have probably got a dozen tabs open right now that you intend to get back to. Kurator turns all of that into structured data that you can easily search, reuse, and hand over to your AI. Let's get it installed. It takes less than 2 minutes. From our website, click on Add Kurator here up on top. It's going to take you down to Add Kurator to your browser. Click it again, and it's going to take you over to the Chrome Web Store. Obviously, I have it already installed, but once you install it and add it to Kurator, the first thing you do is you go to your extensions menu and you pin Kurator to your toolbar. Once Kurator is in your toolbar, you click on it and it's going to open up the login page. Now, you can log in with your Google credentials and it's going to log in and authenticate you right away, or you can sign up on the sign up page, get an email, authenticate your email, then you're ready to sign in. Once you sign in, the first thing that I recommend is that you right click on the tab where the Kurator app is open and you pin it. When you pin Kurator, I usually move it all the way to the left-hand side so that it's always accessible to me and I can easily go there and find the information that I want quickly. Kurator is your browsing companion, and it's going to get rid of the tab clutter because everything is always easily organized and accessible through the Kurator app. The first time you open up Kurator, you will land on this default folder. We have seeded it with 3 posts so that you can clearly see how information is organized. Each post has an image, publisher, author, date, title, description, and content tags. All of this will help you remember why you saved something and then look for it. You can filter information per folder over here, or you can do that globally based on the different fields in Kurator. This makes it very easy for you to find your information. If you wanted to open up the link, you simply click on the title and it opens up the page for you. In order to save a new link, we use the pop-up in the toolbar that we saved earlier. Here you get a choice of where you want to save your collection. You can now edit the headline or leave it as is. You can also search for other images. You can upload images or use our Splash library to add a open source image. The important part is here. In the content summary, we have custom prompts. I'm going to use my YouTube SEO, which is going to structure the description in a way that I need. And then I'm going to click on one of my APIs. This is the Gemini API. Here, the API is capable of reading the content that is loaded with the YouTube video and generate this highly structured description. You can see that each section has a keyword, it has timestamps, and it's generated based on my prompt. And this is important for me when I later want to use this content with my AI tools. Next, I'm going to add a content tag so that I can easily filter this information and create it. Now when I go back to my Kurator folder, you can see that the post has been added here. Finally, the last thing I want to share with you in this getting started video is how to look at your stats, upgrade Kurator, and set up your AI. You can do all of that by accessing the menu on the top left corner. Under your username, you can see account, billing, documentation, import your Chromium bookmarks, and AI settings. Under accounts, you can see your subscription, a monthly subscription over here, and then all of the stats of what you have used. To upgrade, you click on the upgrade, choose your preference. You do get 100 links for free, and you can try all of the different features to see if this is for you. And finally, this AI settings page lets you activate your Gemini or OpenAI APIs. You need either one or both in order to be able to use the prompts on your page. Once you set it up and there are instructions, then you simply can create custom prompts. You can edit them, you add new ones, you move them around, and then when you're saving information, those prompts will be available to you on the page so that you can structure information the way that you need it for different purposes, publishing, using it in AI, and so on. Give it a try. It's very easy to use and set up. It's really not a complicated system, and it should all be very trivial for you.